Hi everyone. So this is the second part of the FS that for the continuing of my previous video. So in the previous video, what we have did, I have did just simply just make a standard order and just simply release it, and the MIGO and the MIRO, that the four step we have did. So in this video we will learn about how to do how to write the FS, that means the the functional specification, and the functional specification would be so. And in this video I'll just let you know about, I will introduce about the tables and how to write the label 1 tables, the label 1 FS, right? So in this video we'll learn about the how to fetch the data from the tables, and we'll also learn about the functional specification, that is called FS also, and we'll check the PO tables and smart forms, that what kind of changes you may get at the time of your support project. I'll tell you EKKO, EKPO, these are two tables, and there's having many more: MAR, MARD, MARC, that's related to the material, but mainly we have to focus for the related to the purchase order, but and for the MSEG, RSEG. See, these are the tables which is used for material document, and EBELN, LFA1, LFB1, these are the tables. Actually I will let you know, these are the easy tables, and the first it is the first step, and this is the first video which I am representing right now to fetching the data from the table. So I'll go by the easy. So first of all, we should what we use, these are the tables. EKKO and EKPO is used for PO, for purchase order. MARA, MARC, MARD, these are the tables which is used for the material, and MSEG for the material document, MIGO, RSEG for the MIRO, EBELN and LFA1, LFB1, these are used for the vendors. So what I will do, first of all, we will fetch the data from the PO. So for open the table, we'll have to enter the T code AC16N, AC16N. Just click on enter, and what are the tables I have did? EKPO, KPO, enter. See, what is this? The explanation has given the purchasing or document item. So these are, it is belongs to purchase order from document label. EKKO, purchase document header label. So what I will do, I will enter the purchase order number here. Okay, just enter the purchase order number. Why I'm entering here? Suppose a customer told you a query, I'm writing the query, vendor name is reflecting wrong in the PO print, then wrong or some address is missing. So what I have to do for this query, I will open the table EKKO, see, open the table EKKO and enter the purchasing document and just execute it. After executing of it, the same purchase order what we have created has been open right now. The company code is 1000, which I have told, and the document type is NB. See, everything, each and everything has been came. So what was the query here? That the vendor name is reflecting wrong. So what I have to do right now, first of all, pick the vendor. So where's the vendor? See the vendor, and the technical name is what? The LIFNR. LIFNR, just copy it. So open the table. So what I have to do, what the FS would be written like this. FS, what I call functional specification. Okay, what I will write the functional specification is pass what EBELN, that means purchasing document. Pass EBELN, that means purchasing document, from the table EKKO and pick what I have to pick, the vendor, that means LIFNR, LIFNR. The code of technical name is LIFNR. Okay, so right now what we have did, we have just taken the vendor, that means in the form of code. We have taken the vendor in the form of code. Right now what I have to do, again I have to pass this vendor in this LFA1 code, so that we can find out the address, actually what would be the address, what is the address of this particular vendor. So what I will pick, what I have written over here, to pick the LFINR. So LFINR is what? 235 is the LFINR. That means LIFNR is 235. Just I have copied it, and what I have again told you, that which table I need to pass, LFA1. LFA1. See, vendor master in the general selections. No worry. Just pass this vendor and click on enter and execute it. See, we get the Noida also and the street also. See, whatever the data we will update in the vendor master, it will show here also. And what was our PO? Let's check the PO print also. So how we'll check the PO print? ME23N, just enter, and another PO, paste it, and we require the print view. See, the print view has been came, the company name ABC, and what I have entered is straight, the pin code and the Noida, which is reflect over here, right? And the vendor code is 235. It is updating. So in the smart form also it is updated. So by this way we can write the FS, as these are the data we need, and see the name one, and what ASDS it has came in the state, and what is this technical name details. The technical name is street. Control C, pick name 1, this postal code, this is the postal code, right? Postal code, technical name, and the city. If we need the city also, we can select the city code also. So see, so a vendor, what the vendor told, that I need in the smart form this much of data related to the vendor. So that's why we should write the functional specification like we need to pass. See, what I have passed EBELN, that means the PO document. See, the vendor would tell you that I have created this purchase order and the vendor name is not coming correctly, or the data which is missing related to the vendor address. So what we do have only just purchase order number. That's the reason I have passed the EKKO, the PO table, and selected the LIFNR vendor code. And after that, in the vendor code, I have passed the LFA1. In the vendor master general data table, I have passed LIFNR, and what I am picking right now, name 1, STRAS, PSTLZ, and ORT01. So this seems to be quite complicated, but it is really, guys, it is very easy. And in my upcoming videos, I'll also let you know that how to make it easy, because For this kind of thing, no, for this functional specification, we need to you need to know about the tables. Really, it is very important, because see, the tables also important in the SAP to fetch the data, that what kind of data has been saved related to the vendor, related to the material. I can show you here also in the MSEG. In the MSEG, it's what the MSEG is a table. I told you also that the table, I'll pass this table MSEG. Let's suppose I have entered it. Now what is asking? The material document. What the material document has been generated here? The MIGO. The MIGO material document, just copy and the paste. I just paste it here and execute. If I'll execute, I'll get the data, each and every data related to that particular material. See, this is my material code. So this would be my table data, and here I can see the material document here, the material document item, the hierarchy level, and the client code, which was our client actually, and what is a vendor, and other data also we can find it over here. The unit base user base unit measure, like such kind of data. So mostly we have to remember that tables are used to store the data. Tables are used just to store the data, right? So I think it has been done for today. Let's see what I have told you, and whether I have explained not on the smart form. I have explained the PO tables. I have also the FS also, and we learn the fetch the data from the tables also. So thank you. Thanks for watching my video. And if you like the video, please press on bell icon and do subscribe my channel.